Hey guys, so what's going on? We're at Greg's house, Mr. DC5 exclusive. This guy is famous if you didn't know, or at least he one day might be. But this is his setup. This whole entire setup's actually going to be switched to something completely different, aka maybe Angry EG can get some donors. Some leftovers, you know. But yeah, I just want you guys to see it because I know this is K-Power Performance, and I know y'all love K-Series, and who doesn't love a K20 on boost with a precision? I mean, a big old fat precision. Look at that thing. So you got to give it love. Got a Pro Series. You know what I mean? Skunk 2 throttle body, K2 fuel rail. This thing's pretty clean. No passport motor mounts. This dude... My boy, man, he put some money in this thing, man. This thing's about to look completely different, though, so you have to understand that. I just want you guys to see it set up. The car looks amazing, but right now it's just sitting. It's been sitting for a while, so it's not really anything to show y'all. Maybe I can get a little glance for y'all because on these stance fags like it. Get my camera. Got a lot of light. There we go. Yeah. What's that? D2, right?
Yeah.
D2.
D2
D2 air. So how much did that setup cost you, Greg?
it was like $2,600.
Okay, so for the people that don't know, this car is really nice, but you started off with an eBay turbo kit. Now, that cxracing turbo kit for the RSX and DC5, it says it's quote-unquote bolt-on. Do you really, in your heart, feel like it was bolt-on, or do you feel like you ended up spending a lot of money on other miscellaneous stuff? And also, did the turbo hold up? Because I see you have a precision, so...
Well, when we initially went to go put the turbo kit on, everything seemed to be bolted perfect. I mean, the intercooler has its whole like setup where it bolts in perfect. Like that's one thing that Chuck did love about the kit.
Okay.
When he did go to bolt everything up, it was a pain in the ass because RSX engine bays are really tight.
Yeah, of course. This is a new gen thing, I think.
When he went to go turbo, obviously you got to do an oil return line. That's really any turbo setup.
Yeah, of course.
You got to weld the oil pan and do that oil return line. Just making sure you got all the essentials. Like when you go into it, you think like as a noob, you're like, oh well, I'm just gonna bolt this turbo kit up and we're gonna rock. No, you need a K Pro Honda. You need fucking injectors. You need spark plugs. You need so much shit.
Yeah.
You need like a lot of other shit you didn't think you needed.
So answer my question because you got the precision. What size precision is that? Like what is that?
Well, that's a 6.2 precision.
Is it ball bearing or journal?
It's a journal bearing.
Okay.
But I just went with that because it's like I didn't really feel like spending $2,000 on a fucking.
I mean, that's got to be over $1,000 at least.
Well, yeah, it's $1,200.
Oh well, I mean, you can't feel too guilty.
Right.
You know what I mean? So what happened with the cxracing turbo? Now, do you think that maybe because people like I know what the story is, but for the people that are watching, don't. So. Do you think that turbo maybe you just got a bad one, or do you think that they're all shit? Like
no, at the end of the day, you get what you pay for.
Mm-hmm.
All the piping and all that shit's made out of the same material any of the expensive ones are.
Yeah.
They give you that poopy turbo, and that's what you gotta kind of expect.
Yeah.
I kind of expected that already. I already had the money to decide for the precision because that's what I originally.
Yeah.
Did.
So okay.
So. Once it shitted on me, I was like, oh, well, I expected this anyway, and literally bought a precision the next day.
So I know you had it full bolt on before you turboed it. So the question is, what power do you think it makes, and what do you think it would do on a quarter mile?
Well, this setup, the tuner that street tuned it, said it was right around 400.
Okay.
By the way it felt, my master mechanic, Chuck, salute to him, shout out.
Yeah.
Great dude. Anybody needs work, go to him.
Yeah.
With that said, he, even my mechanic was like, yo, like, this shit is fast.
Yeah,
like,
I mean,
for a stock motor car, just throwing a turbo kit on.
It's just that I think it's that 20 thing, man. That K series on the boost is ridiculous.
Right. A lot of the people, the tuner and Chuck at that, they were blown away by how it was performing for a stock motor car on boost. And mind you, 7 pounds of boost. This never seen more than 7 pounds of boost.
Wow. So that makes you think about how much power. I mean, you got these solid mounts.
Yeah.
So what are those 88s?
Yes, they're 88s. They're
Those
not
are
the
500 horsepower rating.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
I bought 1,000 ones. They told me it was overkill, but I just did it to be like, fuck you. I'm going to get the big bad shit because I'm a badass.
But that's one of those things where you got to accept the red bushings. My car is all blue. I didn't want to accept the red bushings.
Honestly, the red bushings kind of kicked me in my ass. Greg knows it, but at this point, I've learned to live with it and not let it affect my build or anything. You know what I mean? I ain't falling off. Treat you like a sawed off. Motherfucker, I'm about to haul it off. Oh, goddamn, I'm about to saw y'all. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Try and whip it. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you guys are interested in being like Mr. DC5 and Turbo in your RSX, Civic, K Series, B Series, H Series, D Series, anything, I want you to contact Neo Garage or contact me, and I will make sure I take care of you. My affiliate link's down in the description. I can save you 10% off. First time buyers get 5% off. So make sure to check that out. Shout out to Neo Garage, shout out to Mr. DC5, K-Power Performance for Life. Let's go.